Hey folks, it's Tina here at DeBoer's Auto. Did you grow up with thermostat wars in your house, or was it well known that Dad is the thermostat master? Well, in my household, even now as an adult, I let Dad handle that. So, is your dad's air conditioning not functioning? Is that preventing your dad from having a cool dad summer? Is he losing his cool because he's no longer the thermostat master? Well, you can help. Through the month of June, we have an offer through one of our partners for any sort of AC repairs. So the first steps would be to come on down and get the AC diagnosed, and if it needs it, get it recharged. If any repairs are found as a result of that, there are air conditioning rebates for up to $100 back through our partners, depending on what parts need to be replaced. And we want to make sure we help your dad get that air conditioning back. In addition to that, you can also get him a gift certificate to Father's Day. So that would help him be able to become master of his thermostat again. So, do you want to help your dad have a cool dad summer? Well, send him on down to DeBoer's Auto. We will properly diagnose the air conditioning system for your dad. And if you got him a gift certificate, you can help him maximize his rebates and help him get back to being thermostat master again.